Yes sir, Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with Pull Up King. In this video we got a 2010 Honda CRV. Doing an alternator on. Got a brand new alternator. Show you how we're gonna get that out. See the alternators here. We're gonna have to remove this pump to get it out first. Alright, let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, so I'm gonna get up under here and take this belt off. You can get it from the top, tensioner, or from the bottom. Alright, we get off in here. Take the shield off. Got these tabs. Alright, remove the shield. Got a 10 mil on this side. And then he got those clips, plastic clips. Alright, I got a 14mm wrench up top. I got this wrench on the bottom for leverage. And all you do is just turn it. Get that thing pretty much clockwise. Alright, so we got the belt off, car back down on the ground. We're gonna go ahead and start working on this area here, getting this power steering pump off. We got our power steering reservoir off. The hook's back here. You press this tab back, pull it up, slide it up. Then it's a tab down here. You disconnect that, and that'll move on out the way. Now we got on the power steering pump. Right here, that's a 12mm bolt, and you got one at the bottom. Can't really get down there, but feel straight at the bottom of the pump. You'll feel that 12mm bolt. Get those out, and we can get this pump up. Move that 10 mil over the AC line. I can move this a little bit out the way. Taking off this bracket right here. Two 10mm bolts. It gives you a lot more room once that's gone. Now we can work on that bolt better. And we got that bolt out. Sit right there. That's all I use. Alright, that's the bottom bolt. Got both of them out. Move this pump. That out the way, and we can work on that on the alternator. We gotta get up under here. Get up through there. Alright, we got both of the bolts out. Bottom. Now we're gonna go back up top. Alright, back up top, we're gonna loosen this bolt, get it out of there, and work on these connectors. You can actually pull this one out now. That top one pretty long. And we can move that alternator around. Pull this rubber off and get that bolt off for the power wire. It's gonna be a 10mm. Gotta point out, we got this bracket right here. The harness is connected to the alternator right there, so we're gonna get that off. And now we should be able to pull this alternator right through this hole here. Alright, right up through here. Brand new. So I put the top bolt in first, and I got it hanging. I'm going to the bottom and put the bolts on in the bottom. All right, we got our bottom bolts in. And put that power steering pump back in there. All right, power steering pump in. I'll go ahead and put that belt on now. So if you wanted that tensioner up top, that's where it is. And just push down on it. And we in there. Let's start it up. We're gonna be good to go, man. And that battery light gonna cut off. All right, man. Till next time. Pull up, King.